Elegant and meticulously remodeled classic craftsman-style farmhouse nestled on 5.89 level to slightly rolling acres. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Very peaceful and quiet setting surrounded by neighboring farms yet close to downtown. Driveway lined with huge evergreen trees. Acreage also includes other large established native specimens. Neighbor currently mows most of the land for free for the rolled hay bales produced, a picturesque sight. Wildflowers also bloom in the fields in the spring and summer. Like living in a Monet painting. View of quaint country church. Original double-bricked recently painted exterior features Joanna Gaines Benjamin Moore lit candles cream color. Main level interior of home includes living room and den, 9 feet ceilings and a spacious bedroom. All new retro-style bathroom with handmade tile from California, large Kohler tub/shower combination, pedestal sink, polished chrome fixtures and custom cabinet. Refinished original hardwood flooring main level and upstairs. All new light fixtures from Atlanta and Asheville designer showrooms. All new kitchen with solid wood custom cabinets by Dixie Kitchens of Knoxville. New appliances include a jadeite green Big Chill retro induction range, www.bigchill.com, a double-door stainless Samsung refrigerator and Bosch dishwasher known for its super quiet operation. Black-honed granite countertops. Large new windows for natural light above a deep Shaw farmhouse kitchen sink with bridge faucet. Double-door pantry with hand-stitched patchwork quilt-style curtains. Beautiful dining porch with slate flooring and pub-style oak chandeliers. Space will accommodate 2 large dining tables for those holiday family gatherings. 3 large picture windows with plantation shutters. Huge laundry room with plenty of shelving and closet storage. Large capacity Samsung washer and dryer remain. Upstairs has 2 bedrooms with craftsman-style wood blinds on order for 1. Completely remodeled full bath with deep soaking tub. Vintage-style faucet fixtures from English company. Unique mosaic design tile flooring. Most windows are original to the home with House of Antique hardware oil-rubbed brass lifts and latches. Farmhouse porcelain and crystal door knobs throughout. New plumbing and wiring. New attic insulation. Well water with good pressure, UV light purification system and water softener. Zone heating and cooling for both floors. Covered front porch with sidewalk to paved circular driveway. Huge detached 3/4 carport/shed with exposed wood beams. Could be converted to additional living space or even a stable for horses. Jeff Walker of Southern Walker Landscaping has designed a landscape plan for the property should buyer want to use it. Seller has AT&T internet. Situated between Chattanooga and Knoxville just off I-75. Within 30-minute drive to Watts Bar Lake or Tellico Lake, Cherokee National Forest, Tellico River, and Cherohala Skyway. 2-hour drive to Gatlinburg. An ideal place to call home.